Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to send messages in TikTok. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the notification icon beside your profile icon. Now go to the message option from the top right corner. Tap on New or Plus from the top right corner. You can search and select the contact whom you want to send message. The message box is showing at the bottom. Tap on this. Now write something and tap on the send button. That is how you can send messages in TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.